YouTube day number 17. So pretty uneventful day. I actually had a interview. I'm looking at selling um, some solar sales. Actually seems pretty promising, and that's not a 1099 employment. That's a W-2 employment with basically a salary versus commission. So I'm mildly interested in that because it's a lot of money, and I don't have to go out and prospect. It's basically just closing sales, and I can do that in conjunction with real estate, in conjunction with the other things that I'm doing. I'm also proceeding along with the wellness coach program that I'm in. So just had a busy day, but nothing newsworthy. But again, I'm committed to making a video every single day, and just the thought of just really dovetails on what I was saying before, is that the course actually had today spoke about setting low goals. So it's just like I said, like when I don't feel like working out, I'll get on the treadmill, but I'll do 1 minute. Like if I'm not feeling good at all, no matter what, I'll still put on my gym attire and I'll do 1 minute. So it's the same with these videos. I might not have much to report, but the consistency is more important than than anything else. So when you set low goals, that are ridiculously attainable, then you can feel proud of that, instead of setting unrealistic goals, and then when you don't meet them, you self-sabotage yourself by being critical of yourself, and that leads to this disappointment. So it's better to just set really low, realistic goals that are ridiculously easy to meet, and then you can always do more. But that's the whole point of that. So with that in mind, that's where I'm going to end this video today. Day 17. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.